Okay, so don't you love it when you're trying to make certain modifications to the camera and the only thing that comes out is your forehead? Well, okay, now here's the three things to look out for when you're purchasing a home. One of the things is that I know you've heard it numerous, and more times, but get pre approved for a mortgage. We see it constantly. Someone's looking into a home and underestimates what the monthly obligations or monthly payments going to be, taking into consideration the current interest rates. The second thing, they might be overestimating what they qualify for as for a home, not taking into account their monthly obligations, car payments, any credit cards, child support, and so on. The second thing that you need to look out for is location. I'm not talking about north side, south side, east side, west side, northwest side, southwest side of San Antonio, Bernie, Verde, or any other city that you're looking into. I'm talking about corners, cul-de-sacs, and greenbelts. What makes the location special? Heaven forbid it's backing up to a main drag or a street. We don't want a car to accidentally become your new decoration in the backyard. And especially if you're in a main drag in a corner, we've seen it before where cars hit fences. You've even seen it in the news. The third thing to do or to consider is the underestimating cost of repairs. Of course, when you're doing your home inspection, there's four things that you look out for: uh, roof, foundation, water heater, and AC. But is there anything else that you're not taking into consideration? Perfect example would be outdated appliances. You might underestimate that, or different 3 to 5 different flooring patterns in the home. Also take that in consideration. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this helps. And once again, are you ready to make a move? Send me a DM. Oh, actually, it's send us a DM. Thank you. Bye.